Okay, let's look at the model of the hospital Putrajaya. This is the tambahan block for endocrine unit hospital Putrajaya. So this is the blocks that we actually installed the advanced termite system for this whole block, endocrine unit, and also the car park block. So let's go and have a look at the site. Of course, we cannot see the pipes that is laid underground, but we can see the injection boxes that is securing the whole building all over the endocrine unit and also the car park block. Okay, so this is the car park block that we install our advanced termite system. Both these car park block 1 and 2, and also the endocrine unit which is over there. These are the 3 blocks that we install our advanced termite system. So this whole system is laid underground for the endocrine unit and also the these 2 blocks. Let's have a look at the injection boxes. So this is the Putrajaya Hospital again, the extension. So this is the endocrine unit. So these boxes are all installed outside. Our injection boxes are all installed outside so that the injection at any point will be done from outside the building and not inside. So in future, these termite chemicals will be injected through here and it will circulate inside. And we don't need to actually go inside to spray. There's no need of going inside with chemicals to spray all over the place. There won't be any smell inside, and also there won't be any chemical, airborne chemical. So it's perfect for as the hospital is operating at full capacity. This termite reticulation system that we have installed circulates all over the whole building, right? So this is actually the endocrine unit. So it circulates the whole block, right, the endocrine unit, and our injection boxes are placed here. All right, our injection boxes are placed here. So we have to change the box for this, but anyway, this is the injection box. As you can see, the name Kilstant reticulation system. These are all the termite injection boxes that we will inject the chemical through these boxes, through these points, and the chemical would spread inside. Chemical would spread. So even the hospital staffs or doctors and everyone is doing their task, nobody will be aware that the chemical is being spread underneath and thus protecting the building from termites. So this is what Kilstant does as an advanced termite management system for buildings like hospitals, government hospitals, and also for bungalows to protect further. So we hope that this video makes the viewers understand what exactly that we do. For more information, we will put up the link and some details at the end of the video. Thank you.